Okay, so this is how you create your project on WAMP. Last time I had just taken you through this WAMP server interface. Generally, you have the WAMP server identity, that is the logo and the name there. Then you have the services that you've installed together with the WAMP. Here you have the version and the operating system version. And particularly here, you also get a set of extensions that have been installed together with your WAMP. These are PHP extensions. And of course, we also have MySQL DB, and we also have MariaDB. Okay, then you have some tools here. For example, PHP info, that is just to give you all the information about the configuration of PHP. I want you to click it and just see some of them. But what is of importance for this video is this particular place, your projects. So when you create projects in WAMP server, this is where they go. This is where they go. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a project. To create a project, you need to go to drive C. That is the drive where you've installed Windows, because generally that is where WAMP is also installed. As you can see, sorry. As you can see here, we have WAMP 64, this folder here. So you just double click it. Then under WAMP 64, we have the folder www. Now it is in this folder where you create the folder for your project. The folder for your project. So I'll just do that. New folder. For example, I can call it voting system, something like that. Maybe we are creating a voting system. So for now, if I refresh here, you can see that you have voting system. But because it does not have any file, we cannot be able to click on it. So now I want us to create a file and save it in this folder. So for that, excuse me, you can use for example, Notepad++, or you can use Sublime Text if that is what you're using. So new, then we can type the PHP tag. Sorry, like that. Then, as is tradition, we can do the hello world. Hello world. So after that, we can come to save. Now we want to save this product, this file, inside our WAMP www folder. So you have to come to drive C, there, WAMP 64. Then you come to www, then voting system. And then you can name this, for example, we can name this, for example, login.php, like that. Save. So once we are done, we can go back to our browser. We can refresh. Okay, just a moment. These are your folders. You use them as an HTTP link. You must let me just try and rename this. Let me try and rename this folder. Let's see. Just a moment. Okay. Local host / virtual voting underscore system. Okay. Okay, so again, I'm going to investigate why I can't be able to click on this, but generally you should be able to click on it. But the alternative is you can go to the address bar and type localhost, then / then the name of your folder in www. So for example, voting underscore system, like that. So once you're there, you'll see the files that are in that folder or directory. You can see we have login.php here. So you can click on it to execute it. When you do that, indeed, we're going to get hello world. You can be able to continue. Okay, so we need to close this because we changed it. We changed the name. So we need to open this file in this folder using Notepad. So how to do that? We come here, www voting underscore systems, we right click, then edit with Notepad++. So that's how we open a file so that we can continue to edit it. So here we may want to make this big, so we can make it a H1, and we can end the H1, for example. So I can save that. Once I've saved it, I can go back to the browser and refresh. And now we have a bigger one. So on this video, I've shown you how to create a project on WAMP, particularly inside the www folder, how to access it, how to save a file in it, and also how to reopen the file so that you can be able to update it. So I want to give you a few minutes for you to try it out on your own. Then we can continue from there.